1/3. Now, we are going to use the laws of indices to analyze this question. First and foremost, you know that 1 on A, according to indices, is e to the negative 1. So 1 on 27 is 27 to the power negative 1. We now raise it to the same power, negative 1/3. Now, according to indices again, a to the power m, power n, is the same as a to the power m times n. So this is the same as 27 raised to the power negative 1 times negative 1/3, which is 1/3. Now the next thing is, according to another indices, you have that a to the power m, 1 on n, is equal to the n root of a. So now 27 to the power 1/3 is equal to the cube root of 27. And the cube root of 27 is that number that multiplies itself 3 times to give you 27, which is 3. And I think it's option C. Now you have 0.0596. Correct? So 3 decimal places. So you count 1, 2, 3. Your decimal points is now here. You now have 0.059, but this 6 here is greater than 5. So you've got to round up, and then you add up here. You're going to have 0.060. This is your answer, which corresponds to option B. Question number 3. Okay. Given that P is to Q, they say P is to Q is equal to 3 is to 1. And then Q is to R is equal to 2 is to 5. Then find P is to R. We have to find this. So I'm just going to use one short system. Previously I was even trying to explain more, but we don't have time. So I'll give you a rule. Make Q, the portion of Q, to be the same. That is to say here, P is to Q is 3 to 1. So P is 3 when Q is 1. Q is 2 when R is 5. So now, if Q here is 1 and Q here is 2, we have to make them the same. How do you make 1 and 2 the same? You can multiply this by 2. So if you multiply by 2, you will have 6 is to 2. Now you see that these 2 and these 2, they are the same. So if Q here and Q here are the same, then P is to R is going to be what? 6 is to 5. So that's the answer. 6 is to 5. 6 is to 5, option 1, B. Now the next question. At a certain period, the exchange rate was $1 is equal to 510 francs CFA. And €1 is equal to $1.75. A car in Europe was bought for €2,000. The cost in francs CFA. Okay. A car was bought in Europe at €2,000. We have to convert this amount first to US dollars and then to francs CFA. So this is 2,000 first of all times 1.75. Then next times 510. This gives you your answer. Now 2,000 times 1.75. So we put times 175 times Then we now divide by 100. Why? Because we remove this decimal place, this decimal point here with 2 decimal places. Now these 2 zeros will do away with this one. So we simply have 175 times what? Times 2. What's 175 times 2? 75 times 2. You are not using calculator, so you can always come out with a static. 75 times 2 is 150. You add up here is 250. 250. Okay. 250. 2,500. 25,000 times 51. Is it okay? Okay, now this is 250. Okay, 25,000. Now we multiply by 5. You have 0 here, 0 here, 25. We put 5. 2 goes up. 10, 12. Okay, so the result is this. So this is the answer. Is it there? It's not there. Okay, so we redo it. The answer has to be there. Is it there?
Yes, but not this one.
No, this answer, is this solution correct? If it's correct, the answer needs to be there. Possibly a problem with the calculation. 2,000 multiplied by 175 times 510. We divide by the hundreds. So, this will flip up. Let me see. Yes. So, you have 175 times 2. 175. We add these 2 zeros. Let's multiply by 2. We have we have 25,000. Yes, we multiply by 51. We are almost coming back to the same thing. 1 times 25,000 is 25,000. We multiply by 5, 25. Okay.
No, it's to the zero, it's okay. And then 5 times 5
5 times this.
10.
5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2,
So
12. 1, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0. It's not there.
no, it's not there. So if you just multiply directly without dividing by 100, it will give you
No, it's going to give you an answer.
It will give you what?
1.1 million. If you take just as 2,000 times
Times 1.75
Yes.
times 510, it gives you what?
it gives you 1.1 million 785,000.
Then the solution gets 1,785,000.
Yes, sir.
Million division by dividing.
Well, how do you multiply fraction? How do you multiply decimal?
No, even
Without
there
calculator.
it's giving. There is giving.
Where is the problem
Like
now?
that, I don't know where your problem comes from. So let's talk about there small, small.
Take 51 times 25,000.
It will give 1 million.
It gives this.
Yes.
Okay. Then the problem is with the 25,000.
Yes.
Okay. So have take 175 times 200. 30 what?
35,000.
Good. So this is 35 and not 25. This is 35 and not 25. 175 times 2.
Is that 27?
What? It's times 20. Yes, but I added 0 here, so it was okay.
Listen, when I did my own math,
Yes.
I've already gone through this here. I took, as I said, $1 is equal to 500 pounds. Then €1 is equal to $1.5. So after I calculated the money in dollars, and since I already have $1 equals to 500 francs, after having the money, the euro conversion in dollars, I now said $1 equals to 500 francs. Because in dollars, it gave me 3,500. Then 3,500 equal to I cross multiply.
How did you convert in dollars? It's okay.
This was what I did. I have, at a certain period, they change the rate of exchange in euro. We have $1, which is equal to 5 francs. Then we have €1, which is equal to 1.75. Then we have a can I was bought at 2,000 euro. 2,000 euro is equal to X. It's not 2,000 euro equal to
Yeah.
X. And then I have
It's okay.
five-
It's okay. Here you multiplied now.
Yes, I
When you go up there, you still multiplied now.
Yes, that was what I
In
did.
the exam, you don't have much time. That's why I multiplied everything directly.
So this is the answer is
175.
78.
The bullet was here. 20.
Yeah, it's history.
Yeah, you have 25,000.
Then multiply and the rest is giving it.
But that's what we are multiplying now.
This is the other one.
Okay. Cameroon time is 1 hour ahead of Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. When it is 1750 hours in Cameroon time, GMT is Cameroon is 1 hour. Yes, and it's true. Cameroon is GMT plus 1. So now when it is 1750 in Cameroon, it means GMT is behind by 1 hour, right?
Yes, sir.
Which is 1650. And then there are two options. Either is there 4 p.m. around?
No.
4:50. Is there 4:50 p.m.?
Yes, sir.
Now which one is correct? Can we say 16:50 p.m.?
No.
We cannot. So what's the answer?
A.
A, 4:50 p.m. So either you say 16:50, you leave it, or you say 4:50 p.m. You cannot say 16:50 p.m. Or you can rather say 16:50 hours. In a class of 26 students, 13 are brothers, 14 are sisters, and 6 are neither brothers nor sisters. The number in class who are brothers is in a class 26 students, 13 have brothers and 14 have sisters. So first thing first, people that have neither brothers nor sisters, subtract from here. How many people? 6. So you're left with 20 people, right? It means 20 people, you either have a brother or you have a sister, right? Okay, now let me explain with this one. 6 is already here. Now, okay, so this is brothers, this is sisters. 13 people have brothers. Will I put 13 here? The answer is no. So, first thing, I have to start filling it from here. So, I'll let this, both brothers and sisters, right, to be x. So, I'll put x here. And the x I'm looking for. Is that okay? So, this will be what? 13 minus x. This is what? 14 minus x, right? Okay, so I'm now saying that 13 minus x is equal to okay, it's okay. Minus x, right? Plus 14 minus x, then plus 6 plus x will give us 26 people. The 13 plus 14 is what? 27?
7.
Okay. 27 plus 6.
33.
33. Negative x, negative 2x. Negative x. 26 now. So x is 33 minus 26. What does it give us?
7.
Is it 7? Okay, if x is 7, we test the veracity. What's 13 minus 7?
6.
6. And here, 7. What's 7 plus 7 is 14, 6 plus 7 is 13. So the answer 7 is very correct. B. So we'll go straight to the point. I should not explain, right?
Which of the following
Go to the expense. Which of the following sentences?
Which of the following sentence is a statement? You can write, sit down, the apple tree. What time is it? Which one is a statement?
you can write?
What is B?
Say command.
C?
Description.
A noun phrase.
Describing.
Apple tree.
The apple tree. What is it?
Noun phrase.
Yes, otherwise. Is it, it's not a complete statement, right? Yes. But A, he can write. Anyway, so the answer is A. Right. Which one? A. The real value function of f of x, 4x squared minus 6. We need f of minus 1. The answer is C. Question 9. The range of values of x that satisfies this inequality, x squared plus x minus 2 less than 0. Two factors of negative 2 added 1. Added positive 1. So we have negative 1 and positive 2. Why? Added positive 1 multiplied negative 2. So you simplify this to x squared minus x plus x minus 2x less than 0. X minus 1 2x 2 x minus 1 less than 0. So you have x minus 1 and you have x plus 2 less than 0. Critical values x equal to 1, x equal to 2.
I have not understood.
You're supposed to understand. Now, this is not the question. The question says, this is not the answer yet. The question says the range of the of values of x that satisfies this inequality. So, we're now going to draw a number line. Here, we put one of the values, which one is positive, this negative 2 here. So negative will be on the left, then 1 here. We take a value within this range, you can say 0. Bring the 0 here. 0 minus 1 is negative. Here, 0 plus 2 is positive, so the overall is negative. We'll simply come and put negative here and add once, positive here, positive here. Now, for it to be less than 0, it means it must be negative. So the range is x less than 1, greater than or equal to. But let's just say negative 2 here. So for us to test the equal, before we can put it, we can also test the critical value. But nonetheless, it's okay like this. A, right? Which one take? The 2 pens, have you copied? You don't understand that. 2 pens and 3 books. 2 pens, 3 books. 650. There's no space, so we need to. Where should I solve? I wanted to manage the space, but very little. Now, 2 pens, 3 books. Costs 650. Given that the cost of 1 book is 50 francs more than the cost of a pen, meaning that 1 book is 1 pen plus 50, because the cost of 1 book is 50 francs more than the cost of a pen. Then we need to find the cost of a book in francs CFA. So we simply have to replace that here. 2 pen plus 3 into pen plus 50 is 650. So this means we have 2p plus 3p plus 150 is 650. Then 5p is equal to, subtract this, subtract 400. 405. P is what? 80 is not there. What's 405?
So you now add to the
That's what. We're looking for C. We're now looking for the cost of a pen. Please wipe it.
then the cut the book
It's a long time, you are too running.
So I have to
Feel what you have written there. 2. We need a cost of a book.
Yes, sir.
So here, we need to rather make P subjects 50. We have book B minus 50. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Good. So that's what we'll put here. We'll put 2 into B minus 50 plus 3B equal to 650. Now 2B minus 100 plus 3B is 650. This now 5B equal to what? 550. Is there one thing? Yes. Check.
No, there's no one thing.
As in, what's 55 on? It's 11. 11, 0, 1, 10.
It was the last
What is wrong with this?
You know. What's 650 minus 150? Huh? 400 is 500. So you are looking at me. See the next copy.
It's 500. I like 500, sir.
Huh?
I like 500.
The answer is 100. One book is 100.
Yeah, the answer is something like this.
Shut up. When f of x 3x squared plus kx, what's the same relationship?
Yeah.
Minus 5 is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 11. When it's divided by x minus 2, the answer is 11. So what does it mean? This is not a factor because there's a remainder. So now it means that f of 2 is equal to 11. So you put it here. 3, 2 squared plus 2k minus 5 is 11. So this is 4, this is 12. 12 plus 2k minus 5 is 11. So 2k, what's 12 minus 5? 7. 11 minus 7.
4.
2. So k is equal to 2. C. Y varies inversely as the square of x. Y varies inversely as the square of x. So this means that y is equal to k on x squared and k is equal to yx squared. So now they say that y is 1 when x is 4. So k is 16. Am I even there?
Yes.
The value of y when x is 2. So we'll come back here, y is equal to 16 on x squared. So x is 2 now. And y must be something like 4. C. Each anterior angle of a regular polygon please copy this. Try this question what?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
So try this and come it. So how many sides? You have not done it.
But it's still solving.
Thank you.